Okay, we are live here today for the non-farm payrolls, guys. As you already know, high impact event. Let's take a look on the economic calendar. So later in maybe 13 minutes, less than 13 minutes, we'll have the non-farm employment change, unemployment rates, average hourly earnings. And these are seen as high impact events. Most likely the volatility will be high, and that's why I will take a look on all markets before the non-farm payrolls. Omar, how is going, everybody? Yeah, how is everybody doing? Stefan, hi. Diego, good morning. Hi, how are you? Brogan, Algar, hi, how are you? Hello, guys. So first of all, before I will start this webinar, very quick risk disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. That past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You can send an email to support if you have questions about subscription, about services, about brokerage companies. Learn to Trade will never contact you directly. Don't forget that there are a lot of scamming groups, and if you want to join, of course, you can join the VIP groups only after purchasing a subscription. And don't forget about the Dash to Trade if you want to join the pre-sale. Please visit the website. Thank you, guys. So non-farm payrolls as high impact. 197,000 in October. Unemployment rate is expected a potential growth from 3.5 to 3.6, while average hourly earnings 0.3% growth expected. Tarek, shorting gold today. I don't know, we'll take a look in 1 minute. Vincent, good afternoon from Nigeria. Hi, how are you, Vincent? So let's take a look. Personally, I was looking earlier today. As you already know, if you are a VIP member, I've sent a short video. Actually, I talked about the Japanese yen basket today in my market breakdown, and I've said that after this bearish engulfing here, false breakout through the confluence area, sell-off, rebound, and I said that maybe a new lower low here, value breakdown below this uptrend line could signal potential sell-off, and that's why I will look for potential Japanese yen shorts. Okay. I will take a look on the dollar index as well. Dollar index also. You already know from my market breakdown. I've sent my market breakdown video into the VIP group only today. That's why it's important to join the VIP team, the VIP group, to become a VIP member, to get all our content, VIP content, trades, trade management. So dollar index retreat here, a sell-off. Okay, a sell-off, potential flag, and if it stays above the R1, value breakout, boom. Okay, this is a downtrend line here. So if it jumps above it, if it stabilizes above it, a new higher high could signal potential further growth. And yeah, for now I'm still holding my position in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I will keep the trade. Right now, unfortunately, my trade it's in the red, but don't forget that my trade it's actually my risk is only 0.7%. So yeah, it's fine, it's okay. Okay, so because dollar index is still bullish despite temporary retreats. Okay, and as I've said, yen basket, if yen basket drops deeper, then the Japanese yen could depreciate. Okay, so economic data, let's take a look here. Personally, yeah, if I believe that if the economic data, if the US economic data will come in better than expected or in line with expectations, then Ahmad, will you live trade with US non-farm payrolls? If I have something like a high probability trade, yeah, because personally I will show you before the non-farm payrolls that I was looking at potential shorts on Euro USD, on GBPUSD. Okay, and yeah. Hini, hi all, hi, how are you? Don't forget also to like this video, guys, and if you want to become a VIP member, then you can access the link posted right below this video, or I will send you the link. Morning. Okay, monitoring USD, US 30, Dow Jones, yeah, and don't forget that you can still use that that code coupon YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Okay, so better than expected US data, or in line with expectations data, could help the dollar index to resume its growth, and I will look for potential US dollar longs, as I've said. And unfortunately, maybe poor US economic data, worse than expected data, could force the dollar index maybe to come back down also towards 111.78. Okay, very, very important. Okay, one moment, guys. Okay, I'm back. So this is my opinion here about the dollar index. Let's take a look. Jorge Garcia, hi, how are you? Gold. Someone asked me about gold. One moment, because I will read your message. I will take a look on your message. Shorting gold today? No, I don't know. Yeah, it remains to see. As I've said in my video analysis today, the pivot point, weekly pivot point as resistance. Yeah, right now it has jumped above, closed above 1,649. But let's wait. Okay, let's wait, because right now we are at resistance. Personally, I talked about this resistance, about a new higher high, about and as I've said in my daily video, if the US economic data will come in worse than expected, then maybe gold, and probably gold, will resume its growth. Yeah, or better than expected US data could send the price of gold, the yellow metal, down again. But yeah, maybe I will look for potential shorts only, yeah, below this this uptrend line. Okay. Also, Orlando is looking at something as well in gold, and probably he will send his trade as well. Renthia, hi, how are you? US 30, you think buy? I don't know, let's take a look. US 30, US equities, let's take a look. So no. Right now, guys, in my opinion, it depends. Okay, as I've said, the dollar index could still resume its upside movement. Okay, right now, yeah, it has retreated. Okay, that's why let's take a look. US 30, I believe that we have a rebound. Okay, and US 100, maybe we don't have a strong negative correlation, but we have a correlation. Okay, in my opinion, personally, I'm using a correlation between between US equities and dollar index. Okay, rebound also on US 100, US 500 as well. Rebound only because the dollar index retreated. And as I've said, yeah, if the US data, if the US economic data will come in better than expected and a potential rally here, then US 30, US 100 and US 500 could drop, in my opinion. Okay, and if the US data will come in worse than expected, and if the dollar index continues to drop towards this this support here, key level, Miguel, GU, I believe British pound versus the US dollar, I will take a look. Only 5 minutes before the non-farm payrolls, or less than 5 minutes. So yeah, I will keep an eye on all markets. Yeah, my position is still valid in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Only 0.7% risk on that trade. I will keep it. Right now it's too late maybe to do something with that trade. So it's up to you how you want to manage your positions, guys. Yeah, it's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Okay, if you want to follow my my trade management, or yeah. So let's refresh also the economic calendar. So if it drops towards this support, yeah, maybe the US equities could jump higher, approach and reach new highs in the short term. The US 30, US 100, US 500 could jump towards new highs if this scenario will take shape, if the economic data will come in worse than expected. Less than 3 minutes, guys. Yeah, let's take a look also on gold again. Gold, yeah, it's there. Silver, it has rallied, it's strongly bullish. US oil, shit, I've missed maybe an opportunity because I've talked about potential further growth, about new long opportunities here in US oil, but maybe I will look for a new opportunity after the non-farm payrolls. Maybe I've missed an opportunity here or here in the short term. Yeah, after escaping from this flag, from this pattern, maybe. Yeah, shit, but it's fine, I will look for something else. Don't worry. Okay, dollar index, less than 2 minutes. Raymond, what do you think about Bitcoin? BitUSD, Bitcoin, or what is BitUSD? We have Bit. Yeah, we have Bit. I don't know. Right now, I will take a look on Bitcoin versus the US dollar, and then I will take a look on that market as well. I don't know all. Yeah, I'm not watching all cryptocurrencies, altcoins. Yeah. So about Bitcoin, please take a look here. It has failed to make a new lower low, right? And it continues to move sideways within a range. Here, 20,008. 19,947 as support levels, 21,012 as resistance. Right now it has jumped above the immediate downtrend line, and if we'll use this downtrend line, yeah, we have maybe a potential flag inside of this range. So this is my opinion about Bitcoin. In my opinion, as long as it stays above this support zone, support levels, downside obstacles, the bias is bullish in the short term. Very breakout, new higher high, boom, upside continuation. Thank you, guys. Okay, dollar index. Let's refresh the economic calendar, and I will keep an eye also on my my news terminal as well. Okay, on my news terminal, I will refresh the economic calendar. And probably will have high volatility and sharp movements in the short term on dollar index, on US dollar, maybe also on the Japanese yen, on gold. Yeah, let's take a look. We already have the numbers. Shit, employment change from Canada. One moment, I'm keeping an eye. Yeah, better than expected non-farm payrolls. Yeah, US dollar it should jump higher. That's why I will take a look. I will keep an eye on. Yeah, non-farm payrolls. Better than expected, 261,000, better than expected. And also, yeah, unemployment rate worse than expected, 3.7% unemployment rate, above 3.6 expected. Hourly average hourly earnings 0. Better than expected. Okay, so right now, as you already know, I'm still keeping my my trade in. I'm still keeping my trade in US dollar Japanese yen, which is really good. Yeah, that jump candle in USD Japanese yen. Yeah, let's take a look, and maybe I will try to identify a new US dollar long. So this is my setup. This is my trade. It's for the VIP members. I will hide the setup, but please take a look here. Strongly bullish. Yeah. So Euro USD. I was looking today at something like this, but now I will delete maybe also this. something like this, maybe 1.5. I will look also on GBPUSD, and probably I will send a trade. Yeah, maybe here it's too late. Yeah, aggressive. Maybe this was my my short-term setup on British pound US dollar, and personally I will look for something else. Maybe new lower low. So no, Euro USD again. Euro USD again, right? Maybe a potential downside continuation. Okay, let's keep an eye on this potential setup, and I will share the if I'll place the trade here live, I will send the trade in the VIP group as well. Only because we have high volatility. No, I will not place a pending order here. Okay, maybe this will be my my setup here in Euro USD. It's too late to get into USD Japanese yen on VIP. I don't know. Personally, I'm already in, so yeah, I'm already in. So I will not tell you what to do. It's your call, right? So I will send this this trade probably in Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. One moment, because I will place it on also in my real account. Okay, so gold, about gold. One moment, because I will try to catch a potential trade in Euro USD, and then we'll take a look on, yeah, gold at resistance, retreat. I'll wait. No, I don't have something right now on gold, only because as long as it stays within this pattern, in my opinion, also new higher high here, value breakout above the weekly pivot point could signal potential further growth. It remains to see. Right now it seems that the dollar index, yeah, as expected, it has registered the sharp movements in the short term. So yeah, also here about the dollar index, we'll have a confirmation when the DXY, when the dollar index will make a value breakout above the major downtrend line, above the immediate downtrend line. So Euro USD, okay, Euro USD, this potential sorry, this potential flag here. One moment. So Euro USD, okay, Euro USD, yeah, here is my setup. Okay, so personally I will place the trade here in my real account. Okay, I will use, guys, I will use a different position size calculator. If you want this risk calculator, you'll have to buy it. Okay, it's really great, but you can use the other why the USD Japanese yen don't rise. And actually, so as you already know, sharp movements in both directions around the high impact events. Also, I've told you guys that yeah, mixed data from the United States. Okay, unfortunately the unemployment rate came in worse than expected. Yeah, unexpected growth from 3.5 to 3.7%, and non-farm payrolls better than expected but below 263,000 in the previous reporting period. Average hourly earnings, yeah, better than expected. So mixed data. That's why right now we have sharp movements, maybe in both directions on the US dollar. That's why also maybe I'll wait with this, or maybe, yeah, maybe I will place it, or I will wait a little to see, because maybe I will have to move my stop loss higher or something if the euro versus the US dollar will only retest the S1, the downtrend line, the broken uptrend line. So yeah, I'm still looking for potential shorts as long as the price stays below these levels. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look on other markets, and then I will maybe come back. I will place this trade in Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD. So personally, I'm still what trade is he taking? I have Euro USD. Please take a look here on British Pound US Dollar. That's why I didn't wanted to place that that trade. Yeah, I've had a short term, but yeah, maybe if I would have placed that trade, I would have managed the trade here. Yeah, on British Pound US Dollar, rebound, strong rebound, only forced breakdown with great separation. So that's why, guys, it's important to understand that we have sharp movements in both directions. We had sharp movements in both directions also after the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, after the Federal Reserve decided to increase the federal funds rate from 3.25% to 4.00%, a 75 basis points rate hike. So right now, again, sharp movements in both directions. That's why I don't want to place a trade only when I'll have a high probability trade, and maybe after the markets will calm down, will cool down after these high impact events. Okay, so yeah, I will keep an eye on this Euro USD, and maybe I will place it. Alexander, gold. So when I will place the trade, I will share the trade in the VIP group as well. So gold. No, I will. I don't want to do anything on gold right now after something like this. Yeah, I don't want to go long. I don't want to go short, and maybe I will keep an eye only on these levels. Okay, I will keep an eye on these levels, and a potential if it jumps, closes, and stabilizes. But I need the strong confirmation, because this could be only a false breakout here through this upside line, through the weekly pivot point. Okay, and in my opinion, only very breakout here, a new higher high here could signal potential further growth, or staying below the pivot point here and a new lower low could signal potential downside movement. So yeah, I've talked about gold also today in my daily video analysis. Okay, so please watch that video. Yeah, US dollar Japanese yen is still good. Is still my position is still valid. The setup is still valid. Okay. Let's invite more members. Okay. Let's invite more members. Okay. Gold. This is my opinion about gold. Yeah, US oil. Unfortunately, I've missed an opportunity here, maybe, or here. After breakout, retest, boom, from here. But right now it's too late. No, personally, I will not take it. Anything could happen. Let's take a look. Euro USD again. Yeah, maybe I will place the trade because I don't want to miss it. And then I will take a look on cryptocurrencies. I will take a look on silver, on US equities, right? Okay, so Euro USD, guys. Euro USD. Live trading, guys. After the non-farm payrolls, after the US data dump, I will close this risk calculator and I will add it again. Okay, something like this, and maybe my risk will be something like this: pending order. Yeah, this will be a sell stop. So if you are a free member, even if you saw my levels or something, you will not have my actually something like this, 35. You will not have my trade management, so you will not know when to or how to manage the position. Okay, so I will send the levels. We are in Euro Japanese yen already, so it's good to take. It's up to you, the monastery. It's up to you. Personally, I'm not forcing you to place a trade or to do anything. So do whatever you want. It's up to you. Yeah, personally, I'm placing my trade. It's up to you. I don't care if you want to place the trade or not. It's up to you. Okay. I will share the levels and the trade in the VIP group in 1 minute after placing my trade here. Okay. 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 79. Okay. Done. I will close here MetaTrader 4, and I will send my trade in the VIP group. So please be patient, guys, and then we'll continue to look for potential trades, new trades. Yeah, because maybe we'll have something else on other markets, short-term trades, intraday. Yeah. Maybe I will look also for, I will take a look on swing trades on Bitcoin or on other markets. Sorry, shit. So Euro USD. It's a sell stop. Yeah. $24. $24. And the stop loss. Okay, and the take profit. And I will share the risk as well. 95, 73, and my risk only 0.79, 1.5 here. Yeah, risk to reward. Okay, so right now you have my levels, you have my my trade. Okay, in the VIP group. So Johnson, please don't spam on my chat. I know what I have to do. I will send I've sent the trade. I cannot do 10 things in 1 minute. Johnson, I will ban you. I will kick you out if you continue with if you continue spamming the group. Your trade in USL would have been so sweet. Now, Egotron, yeah, but yeah, unfortunately, I've missed an opportunity. So please don't spam on my chat because I know what I have to do. I've told you that I will share the trade. I will share the levels. Yeah. Please be patient, because I'm not a robot. Yeah, I've sent the trade. If you want to follow it, it's your call. Okay. Okay. Also, I'm still holding that the trade in US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'm still holding that trade. Okay, gold is up. Yeah, and personally, yeah, it would have been a great trade in US oil. Unfortunately, I've missed it. Let's take a look. So Friday, yeah, I was sleeping at that time during the APEC session. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, okay. I will look for something else. Gold again. And Frederick, kick him out. No, I will not kick him out, Frederick, but yeah, I will have to place the trade myself as well. I will have to double check the levels or something. So yeah, please be patient. Maybe the pending order will be invalidated. Yeah, because but yeah, right now I will keep that pending order. As I said earlier when I talked about Euro USD, maybe yeah, about gold. Yeah, it has rallied, but no, I don't want to do anything right now because yeah. Please take a look here. What happened after the FOMC? Yeah. After the FOMC strong upwards movement, the breakout here was invalidated. Okay, was invalidated, and then boom. So right now, yeah, mixed economic data, but yeah, it challenges the resistance levels. No, I don't want to buy it right now. No, yeah. Dollar index, yeah. Dollar index. Let's see. Let's wait. Yeah. As I've said earlier today, we need something like this to confirm the pending order in Euro USD. Okay, that's why personally I've decided to place a pending order here only below this former low. Yeah, right now it has reached my stop loss level with the before reaching the entry level. So that's why I will keep an eye on it. That's why also I've decided to place this pending order with only a 0.79 risk. Yeah, and if it stays below these levels, test, retest, false breakouts, if it drops value breakdown here, then maybe I will move my stop loss higher above a potential new higher high here, and yeah, probably my risk will still be below 1%. Okay, so right now I'll keep it like this because maybe I will yeah, I will have to move maybe my stop loss a little higher or something, but right now I will keep it as it is. Okay, thank you guys. Send gold in VIP. No, please Johnson, if you'll continue, I will kick you out, okay? Because please don't spam on my chat. Personally, I will not tell you what to do. Do whatever you want. If I'll place a trade, I will share the trade in the VIP group. If I will not place a trade, no, I will not send anything. I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor, so no, I will not tell you what to do, okay? Bitcoin, let's take a look on Bitcoin, because I've said that I will look for, yeah, it's bullish, but I believe that Orlando already sent his swing trade in the swing trading group, and yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. I had to take a look on something. So sell in Euro USD but buy GBP USD coal. So that is Orlando's trade. Yeah, and maybe he wants an intraday short-term position. Of course, yeah, please take a look. Also here in Euro USD, if the price takes out these levels, resistance levels, then it could continue to grow, and then my position, my selling setup will be invalidated. Okay, that's why Orlando is looking at the potential, maybe potential rebound after registering only a false breakdown with great separation here below 1.1149. So please understand, guys, if my pending order, if my selling scenario in euro versus the US dollar will be invalidated, then Orlando's trade could be activated. Okay, and that scenario, upside scenario in British pound US dollar, will be confirmed and activated. Okay, a new higher high here, jumping, closing and stabilizing above 1.1249 after because this candle, this 1 hour candle, will be closed in 7 minutes, and if the price action will confirm, okay, this pin bar, this false breakdown with great separation, if we'll have a new bullish candle here, then maybe it will confirm a potential rebound, and then my my scenario in euro versus the US dollar will be invalidated. So that's why, guys, that's why, cool, that's why, because there are these are pending orders and not trades, yeah, and not actual trades, not because the price didn't reach the entry. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Cole. Thank you, Cole. Okay, so yeah, I'm still keeping that that pending order, because also here DXY, yeah, it has reached resistance. Right now it has turned to the downside. Yeah, mixed data. That's why mixed data. That's why unemployment rate worse than expected, guys. Yeah. Also non-farm payrolls better than expected, but worse compared to the previous reporting period. Average hourly earnings better than expected. Canadian dollar. Let's take a look on Canadian dollar, because unemployment rate 5.2 better than expected. Employment change better than expected. Let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, massive sell-off here. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Sell-off only because, yeah, the dollar index turned to the downside. US 30 made $60. Yeah, great. Great. But in my opinion, it's still there. Okay, yeah, US 500, US 100. Personally, yeah, I'll wait. As I've said, sharp movements in both directions in the short term. Yeah. If you have questions, guys, if you have questions, if you still have questions, yeah, because if you don't have questions, maybe I will end this this webinar here. If you don't have questions, the break on USD Japanese yen, what break? Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look on the Japanese yen. Japanese yen basket. Yeah, sell off, rebound. Yeah, but if it continues to drop, yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, let's look for potential Japanese yen shorts. Shorts. Yeah, shorts. What do you think about US dollar Japanese yen? I've told you that I'm still keeping, I'm still holding. It's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Okay. Yeah, this is what I think about US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, breakout, test, retest. As long as it stays above the downtrend line, broken downtrend line, above 146.93, I will still keep the trade. It's up to you. Close it if you want. I will not tell you what to do. Personally, I'm still keeping my trade. US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. And of course, if it stays above these levels, a new higher high here, boom. Okay. And that's the thing. My risk is only 0.7. So it's fine. Way below 1% risk, so it's fine. Please guys, if you cannot risk or if you cannot afford to lose 0.7, then I don't know. Yeah. DXY. Yeah, it's almost to hit 111.78 as key level, as support. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this level. Yeah, I will keep an eye on this level, and yeah, it seems that the unemployment rate, worse than expected unemployment rate. Carmen, GBPUSD triggered. It's not my trade. It's Orlando's trade. So please wait for Orlando's update. Please wait for his management. Okay. Yeah. And maybe my pending order in euro versus US dollar will be invalidated. But I'll wait, because that breakout maybe. Yeah, euro USD. Okay, maybe this breakout here could still be invalidated or something. So yeah, I'll wait, guys. Please take a look what happened right after the FOMC. Yeah, whoa, strongly bullish, and then it has closed it here and it has dropped it deeper. So I'll wait, and if I'll decide to only to move my stop loss higher on this pending order, or if I'll decide to place a new trade, then I will share my updates into the VIP group. Okay. Will gold later make a result, or is going to continue buying, sir? Just join it. I don't know. It remains to see. Okay. Yeah, technically today I've talked about an upside continuation here on gold, if it makes a new higher high, and yeah, right now only false breakdown, great separation, breakout here. It's strongly bullish in the short term, only because the dollar index crashed it. Okay, this is my opinion about gold, but no, I will not tell you what to do, because as long as I don't have a trade, a setup here, I don't want to buy it at market or something. No, yeah, it's up to you guys. Bitcoin again. Don't forget to like the video. Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, as I've said earlier today, Orlando sent pending order in Bitcoin in the swing group. So but as I said earlier today, major range, breakout, minor range, a new higher high here could signal potential further growth. Okay, guys. Ethereum. Okay, cool. I was expecting as well for USD retest some lows and then go for the highs. Yeah, Ethereum as well. I've talked about Ethereum in my previous webinars. I've talked about this pattern, about this flag pattern before extending its growth. Yeah. Of course, if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, Ripple, it has started to grow. It has turned to the upside. Yeah. Dogecoin, let's take a look on Dogecoin because yeah, we had a strong growth here. Yeah. If it stays maybe above this immediate low 0.1114, then it could try to come back higher. Shiba, it has jumped above the major downtrend line. Right now it has tested, retested. Yeah. So yeah, Bitcoin and the altcoins could try to jump higher, could try to approach and reach new highs. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, if you don't have more questions, I will end this webinar here. I will keep an eye on my trade. I will keep an eye on my pending order. I will come back with updates into the VIP group. Yeah. So right now, maybe my pending order was invalidated in euro versus the US dollar after. But I will keep an eye on this confluence area here on the dollar index. Confluence area at the intersection between this static support and the uptrend line. Okay. What you doing with USD Japanese yen? No updates. I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen several times during this live webinar. It's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Okay, personally, I'm still keeping the trade. I'm risking, my risk is only 0.7%. Okay, if you cannot afford to lose 0.7% on a trade, yeah, please do something else. Yeah, trading is not only about winning trades. Okay, we could have a hedge on USD Japanese yen with the British pound versus the US dollar, Orlando's trade. So yeah, that's why it's important to be on the VIP group, to if you want to follow all the trades or the VIP trades, because we'll have also hedging positions here. So it's up to you, do whatever you want. Personally, I'm still keeping. Okay, dollar index, as I said, I'll keep an eye also on this confluence area here at the intersection between the uptrend line and the 111.78. Okay, because if it makes a valid breakout here, then it could continue to drop. Yeah, the dollar index could extend its sell-off, could accelerate maybe its sell-off, or a false breakdown through this confluence area, then it could signal a potential rebound here. Okay, I'll wait a little to see how it will, if because 1 hour candle, this candle will be closed only in 54 minutes. So yeah, I'll wait to see, yeah, what will really happen here on the dollar index. Okay. If you don't have questions, let's take a look again on US 100. Yeah, it has rebounded. US 30. Only because the dollar index crashed after mixed economic data, and that indicator, unemployment rate, unfortunately worse than expected, average hourly earnings, and also about that US dollar Japanese yen. I've said several times also today, I will keep my trade. Yeah, I will keep my trade. Okay, so I will close this window here. Yep. Dollar index. Yeah, unfortunately I've missed this here on US oil. Shit. because as you already know, personally I was long on US oil. Here I've managed my position in profit, and I've said that I'll wait for a potential new retreat drop before extending its growth. And yeah, I've missed an opportunity here and here. Yeah, it remains to see how it will react here. 92.92, 93.51, major resistance zone, resistance area. Okay. Shane, Phillips, thanks Olympic, thank you as well, guys, thank you. Okay, so yeah, it seems that we don't have something really good. Yeah, yen basket again, because I wanted to talk about, yeah, yen basket. Please take a look, downside movement. So let's take a look. Let's search. Yeah, maybe here euro Japanese yen, maybe we've missed something. After reaching support 144.25, rebound. Maybe right now it's too late. Maybe here British pound Japanese yen, maybe this could be similar with British pound US dollar. Okay, with that trade. Yeah, okay. So support zone here on British pound Japanese yen. Support zone, these former lows, and 166.26 as resistance. Let's take a look. If we'll use this downtrend line or potential downtrend line, an immediate downtrend line here. Okay, I will keep an eye on maybe on this potential setup as well. So immediate resistance here, static resistance 166.26, and the downtrend line. Yeah, yeah, probably I will delete my my pending order. I will send an update to the VIP group if I'll delete my pending order in Euro USD, and probably I will try to identify a high probability setup here on this market, on British pound versus the US, on British pound versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, potential breakout, value breakout could signal potential further growth. It could signal a potential reversal if the yen basket will continue to drop. This could be my next trade. British pound Japanese yen. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for being patient here, and I will come back with updates, potential updates about my US dollar Japanese yen if I'll decide to manage it. I will come back with an update about euro USD, my pending order. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like the video. I will come back with a potential trade with a pending order, maybe in British pound Japanese yen, or maybe I'll wait for the price to make a value breakout before I will take a trade, before I will place a trade here on this market. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. I will come back with updates into the VIP group, updates about US dollar Japanese yen, if I will still keep it, if I will decide to manage it, if I will move my stop loss, if I will decide to manage it here, if I will, I don't know. Okay, if I will close it at break even, if I will close it in profit. Of course, if the position comes back in profit, I will come back with updates about my pending order, potential pending order in US dollar, euro versus the US dollar, because if yeah, it has jumped far above my my stop loss here, my potential stop loss. That's why maybe, yeah, I will keep an eye on it, and if this breakout will be invalidated, yeah, like this one here, then I don't know. If I will move my stop loss higher, and if my risk will be only 1%, okay, then I will keep this pending order. If my risk will be above 1%, then I will look for a potential for another setup, okay, for a different setup, okay. And here about Euro USD, right, if it retest the broken downtrend line, then maybe it could signal potential upside movement, yeah, and then my scenario will be invalidated. That's why right now Orlando's position in British pound versus the US dollar is in profit, okay, deep profit, okay. I've told you guys, one pending order could cancel the other pending order. Thank you, guys. And this could be also a strategy, yeah. Let's take a look, yeah, when we have maybe non-farm payrolls, and if we have something like this, a range, okay, okay, and you can place, yeah, buy stop here, sell stop here, okay, range, and one cancels the other one, okay. If the price makes a valid breakout, will trigger the buying position, and it continues to grow maybe. And on the other hand, if the price drops, okay, something like this, then this pending order will be invalidated. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye bye.